This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Smith. Paradise awaits you with this 4-bed, 2-bath gorgeous pool home situated on over a quarter-acre lot with no front-facing neighbors, in the community of Huntington Summit. This home boasts an open floor plan with a huge office/den and views like no other. Ceramic tile throughout the whole house and a 3-car garage with a Bosch 40-amp electric car charging station. Inside laundry room and energy-efficient home with 11.6 kW grid-tied photovoltaic solar system and hybrid heat pump water heater. Split floor plan allows for many accesses to the relaxing and eye-pleasing tropical oasis pool. The pool we've all dreamed about is here. Wait until you see how big the jacuzzi is. Lots of entertaining to be had. No details missed in this backyard. You want move-in ready? Then here you go. For more information